What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another gig vlog. I was gonna start off by saying Happy New Year to everyone and hope you're all having a blessed year so far. This gig vlog is something that happened in December, 2nd December. We provided sound for Deshan Styler Naidoo at his concert in Chatsworth at the Xstream Hall, together with some technical support from Xstream Sound. They provide us with extra gear that we needed, and as well as stage lighting. So the main thing that happened in this was the footage that I recorded of the whole setup, the breakdown, everything got corrupted. So hence you can see I'm actually currently in the warehouse now. So I'm just doing a small intro for this video. We got footage of the event, of the whole band, everything that performed. I don't have a walkthrough as such, but I am going to show you pictures of what we used. Exactly the mixer for the front of house, the monitors, your mics and stuff, and take out through exactly what we used. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's get into it. So as on the first picture, you can see we have our two EV subs, the ELX218SP on the right hand side. On the left hand side, we have two JBL PRX818 powered subwoofers. For the front of house, we have four PRX, I think it's 815s, the PRX range. We had four of those in the front of house. It was plenty for this hall. Those were provided, the front of house, the JBL front of house, the JBL subs, and the drum mics mixer was provided by Xstream Sound, as well as the lighting. So as you can see in this picture, there's four of my altos that are there that have been used for monitors. The drummer, as you can see in the back, he's on in-ears, so he used an in-ear, he carried his own in-ear kit, so we gave him full capacity for one of the aux channels from the mixer to use. For drum mics, we use Shaw drum mics, so we use one for the kick, snare, tom. Hi-hat, we used the ProDap mic, instrument mic on the hi-hat, side drum, and I think there was an overhead, I'm not sure. Guitar, keyboard, bass guitar, we all lined out from there. As you can see, the bass guitar did come with his own amp as well as the lead guitarist. So we just put 3 DI boxes on there and took that out. Using an A&H SQ5 digital disc that is Cat 6 into its stage box, is AR, I think it's an AR16 stage box that we used. Front of house ran into my DBX, which I don't have a picture of, that ran into my DBX. The whole front of house, left and right out of the stage box, went into my DBX. So I had full control of the subs, the two front of house speakers in the front, and the two that were halfway. So I had full control of those. In terms of lighting, we just had on 2 T-bars, 4 park-hand lights, and 2 blondes that were situated in the bottom. And as you can see on stage, we had 2 Chauvet, I think it was the Spots 360. I'm not so sure about the brand of Chauvet that was used, but that was used there, and they Xstream controlled that via the lighting I think it was Light Key or MyDMX. I'm not sure what lighting software they used, but they controlled that via their laptop, and obviously I engineered for the band. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you'll enjoy the clips that's gonna come. I'm just gonna show snippets of the whole band and songs that they did. Yeah, so hope you'll enjoy.
Just as long as you stand by me. When the night has come and the light is gone and the moon is the only light we see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. But darling, stand. ginger and small. Mustafa, don't worry, Mustafa. I'm up for Mustafa.
Yes guys, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed this geek log. It was a fun one. It's the first time that I was back engineering a full band, so it's kind of exciting for me. I love engineering, and of course I'm contracted to Styler, so wherever he performs I'm his dedicated sound engineer. So it was a great event. The crowd was epic, as you would have saw. Band was great, sounded great. Big shout out to Xstream Sound as well, again, for the technical support and for the gear that they provided us. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and as I always say, smash the notification bell to receive more content when we release it. And hope you're having a blessed year so far, and I'll catch you guys up on the next one.